Hey everyone, this is Divya from Tabutinkufoodies. Today I'm going to show you an indulgent, super yummy chocolate chip cookie recipe, but in a healthy way using my absolute favorite and nutritious oat flour. These cookies have a melt-in-mouth texture of a shortbread cookie, just like naan khatai. And the interesting part is, I'm going to bake them in two ways, with and without oven. So if you are new to this channel, make sure to like and subscribe, and let's get started. So first we'll prepare the oat flour for our cookies. We'll add some oats in a blender and blend them into a fine powder. And the oat flour is ready. We'll keep this aside. Now in a medium-sized bowl, we'll add 1/4 cup of coconut oil, 4 tablespoons jaggery powder, and 1 egg. We are gonna give it a good mix until everything is well combined. Now we'll add in some vanilla extract, 1 cup oat flour that we have prepared earlier, 1 tablespoon corn flour, 1/4 teaspoon salt, and half teaspoon baking soda. Give it a mix until everything is well combined. Now we'll add in some dark chocolate chips. These ones here are 70% dark. We'll give it a gentle mix. Keep this dough in the fridge to chill for half an hour so that it will be easier to handle when we shape the cookies. Now we'll preheat the kadhai. On a low heat, we'll cover the kadhai with a lid and let it heat for 10 minutes. And we'll also preheat the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Now we'll take a small portion out of the dough and give it a cookie shape. And place it on a parchment paper lined baking tray. Now following the same method, we'll make more cookies. We'll place this baking tray in the kadhai, cover it and let it cook on low heat for 25 minutes. Now we'll place the remaining cookies on another baking tray and bake them at 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes. Till they are baking, we'll check on the kadhai cookies. So these are perfectly baked. We'll let them cool completely. And the oven cookies are ready as well. We'll let them cool for some time. I love to have these cookies with some chai. They are crisp from the outside and soft from the inside and make for a perfect, healthy and yummy treat to enjoy as it is or with some hot beverage as I do. Also for the eggless version of these cookies, do check out my Instagram page, the link for which is in the description below. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. So if you're looking for a healthy chocolate chip cookie recipe, do give it a try. I'm sure you're gonna love it. And don't forget to let me know in the comment section below. As always, you can find the written recipe in the description below, and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Hit the bell icon. For more recipes, follow us on Instagram and Facebook. Stay tuned. Happy eating. I'll see you next time.